Shiba Inu owners pay attention. Coinbase has disclosed that around $7 trillion is transitioning from Bitcoin to altcoins such as Shib, indicating the beginning of alt season. Simultaneously, Bybit's proof of reserves indicates that they own almost 3 trillion Shib tokens, demonstrating the substantial demand. With Coinbase and Bybit highlighting Shiba Inu, could this be the impetus that propels Shib towards the anticipated $1 milestone? If you possess any interest in Shiba Inu or have Shib tokens, this video is essential viewing. What is the most recent news about Shiba Inu coin? What impact will this have on the price of Shiba Inu? In this video, I will address these inquiries and provide all the recent price-enhancing facts on Shiba Inu. I have conducted much research for this video, so please ensure you see it in its entirety to avoid missing any material. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Prior to addressing our issue, let us examine the chart to ascertain the cost of Shiba on September 26th, shall we? The current price of Shiba Inu is around 1183 units. Shib's price has increased by 0.7% in the last 24 hours, accompanied by a trading volume of $229 million during that period. The token now has a market capitalization above $6.9 billion, positioning it as the 29th highest valued cryptocurrency. Please note that some rates may have changed by the time you see this video. This material does not constitute financial advice. Let us start with today's video. Coinbase indicates the emergence of alt season as Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and Shib gain momentum. $7 trillion capital reallocation. Prominent cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has released its monthly outlook report, noting that Bitcoin's market dominance decreased from 65% in May 2025 to 59% in August. The business observed that CoinMarketCap's altcoin period index is now below the 75 level, indicating that altcoin season is underway. According to Coinbase's research, the disparity between the altcoin season index and the entire altcoin market capitalization indicates an increase in institutional interest in Ethereum, bolstered by heightened demand for digital asset reserves and a growing fascination with stablecoins and tangible assets. Coinbase acknowledges that, although its outlook stays positive, its perspectives on the altcoin season have changed. The business ascribes the decline in Bitcoin's supremacy to an initial capital shift into altcoins like as Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin, rather than a comprehensive altcoin season at this juncture. The business retains a generally positive view, driven by macroeconomic variables and anticipated regulatory changes. According to extracts from the research, with the altcoin sector capitalization increasing and the altcoin period index indicating initial positive trends, it is believed that circumstances are conducive to a probable transition into a more developed altcoin season as we approach the end of September. In the ongoing discussion on the potential effects of Federal Reserve cutbacks on the market, which may signal a local peak for the cryptocurrency market by September, Coinbase contends that Fed easing might instead enhance retail engagement in the midterm. The analysis indicates that this position is driven by the substantial retail capital, over $7 trillion, now held in money market funds elsewhere. If you are still viewing, your prompt action in pressing the like button would be much appreciated. It incurs no expense and significantly helps in supporting the channel. Continue viewing to discover the most recent details about Shiba Inu and the potential future of the Shiba Inu token. One rationale for acquiring Shib. In the speculative realm of cryptocurrencies, meme coins are seen as frivolous investments. However, the whimsical character of the famous meme currency Shiba Inu conceals a digital asset that is in fact far more substantial than its seemingly light-hearted facade and persistently low valuation imply. I would identify its Shibarium system as a fundamental rationale for investing in this cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu is a Layer 2 digital currency, indicating that it is constructed on an existing operational blockchain, Ethereum. The Shiba Inu token supply is substantial, exceeding 589 trillion units, resulting in a virtually negligible price. This is advantageous since it is readily accessible, and in the event of a price decline, it does not result in a substantial loss. The primary benefit of engaging with Ethereum is that its blockchain facilitates several cryptocurrency features via the use of smart contracts. The creators of Shiba Inu have advanced this initiative with Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain system that facilitates transactions in the token more efficiently, rapidly, and effectively than other cryptocurrencies. That is only the beginning. Shibarium has been established as a development platform, enabling external developers to create additional functionality, games, and other applications to attract users and enhance the worth of both the blockchain and the token. Since its start 2 years ago, Shibarium has consistently grown and expanded. Currently, users may do financial engineering via multiple decentralized exchanges, use the aptly titled Zipto Shibarium wallet for Bitcoin storage, and develop their own initiatives using the Dogpad application. The value of a coin ultimately hinges on its usefulness. The Shiba Inu team is effectively and vigorously developing Shibarium as a platform for its growing usefulness, and the token's price is expected to increase over time accordingly. We will now go to the primary narrative of today's video. Bybit, evidence of reserves, indicates billions in Shiba Inu assets. The latest proof of reserves from Bybit has shown the magnitude of Shiba Inu assets on the platform. Bybit has 2,943,549,207,720 SHIB, amounting to approximately 3 trillion tokens in its possession. This is the 25th audit of Bybit, including many blockchains and featuring comprehensive balance information. Shib, initially including millions of tokens, has now expanded to trillions, making it very prominent and much bigger than the majority of other assets on the network. In addition to Shiba Inu, the update tracked the fluctuations of other prominent cryptocurrencies. The quantity of bitcoins rose by 5.61% to 58,954, signifying a gain of almost 3,100 tokens since the conclusion of July. Ethereum balances increased by 6.59% to 604,131 ETH, subsequent to the incorporation of almost 37,000 coins. However, not all assets exhibited uniform behavior. USDT reserves dropped by 4.75% to 4.85 billion, with more than 242 million withdrawn from the exchange. The alterations delineate the disparity in demand across different assets on the site. Shib's distribution among exchange balances. Bybit's recent announcement highlights Shiba Inu's significant importance within the cryptocurrency industry. Approximately 41% of the supply is incinerated at the burn address, eliminating nearly $5 billion in value. Concurrently, prominent exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Upbit, Robinhood, and Crypto.com own trillions of SHIB. Their substantial reserves demonstrate liquidity and the existence of financiers on centralized platforms. Such occurrences demonstrate that SHIB is not only a remnant of its 2021 prominence. The coin has instead become a permanent fixture in exchange reserves. Its size indicates that it is not a little fish in a large pond, but instead a large fish in a large pond. The Bybit audit indicates that Shiba Inu maintains a substantial presence in the cryptocurrency sector. With trillions of tokens documented and a robust presence on major exchanges, SHIB persists in exhibiting resilience alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum, maintaining its status as the preeminent Ethereum-based meme currency. A significant number of our subscribers assert that they will not sell SHIB for the next 5 years, possessing millions of tokens due to their confidence in the Shiba Inu creators and the tangible worth of SHIB. What is the quantity you are holding? Please remember to enumerate your SHIB assets in the comments section below. Let us commend the SHIB owner for their confidence and faith in the process. If you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your opinions on the Shiba Inu token in the comments. Ensure that post notifications are on to get alerts whenever a new video is published.